Good question. Roof Maxx won't seal your roof from leaks, but here's why. 99% of roof leaks occur at flashings, around chimneys and skylights, or along a wall rather than the shingles themselves. What Roof Maxx does is moisturize your roof. This renews your shingles' lost ability to bend, expand, and contract in the elements. Shingles are designed this way to keep them from breaking, chipping, and losing valuable material that is supposed to be protecting your home. After a while, they lose that ability and start breaking down. Roof Maxx reverses that process and guarantees it for 5 years with each application. Hold on! Back to the leaks thing. We do offer an optional roof tune-up package for roofs that need a little TLC. We focus on the most common issues to help stop or prevent leaks, and we do this before we spray the Roof Maxx treatment.